Hey riders, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm back again with another sit down tutorial on how I achieved this look. So this weekend I was just feeling very weird. I was feeling very weird because there's just so many things happening, guys, and I had so much anxiety. Like I don't even want to put a damper on this video, but it's just been a crazy weekend, and I just thought, let me just doll myself up and let me just try look cute. Even though I'm home, I'm not going anywhere, you know, I'm always indoors because I'm so paranoid to be outside, and I'm just trying to keep safe as much as possible, and I hope that you guys are also trying to keep safe as well. But then again, anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Hello to my new subscribers. You guys are now officially riders, okay? You guys are my riders. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate you guys commenting on my videos. I appreciate you guys engaging with me on my other social platforms. Thank you. So yeah, guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, please stick around, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys just now to see how I achieved this look, because, you know, I think I look very cute, if I say so myself, okay? Anyway, guys, stay tuned, okay? Mwah. Okay, guys, so let's get started with this tutorial. As you can see, my hair is looking rather wild. I love it though. So I'm gonna be using this hair. This is also from Curls. Guys, I love Curls. So this is their straight, it's their straight kinky, it's their kinky straight. So I'm just gonna take pieces from the hair, and then yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm gonna get this style started, but you know, have to get it started. So I'm just gonna like try open lines here in the middle like this. And then I'm just gonna hold it with my Invisibubble. Then I'm gonna use my MB Curls spray, leave-in conditioning spray, and I'm just going to spritz my hair and make it a bit damp so that I'm able to pull it up easily. Guys, this is actually quite a simple hairstyle. It's quite a simple hairstyle. It's not that difficult. And I've also seen other hair creators do the style, like Dear Gracious, if you guys follow her. So she's done this style before, and I thought, oh my word, it looks so cute and so bomb. And then, guys, I'm going to use my MB Curls cream gel. This is available at Clicks. So I'm just gonna take just a bit. And guys, you want to make sure that your hair is like slicked up as possible. And I love this MB cream gel because it doesn't flake, and it doesn't leave any white residue like your normal gel would. So yeah, I really love it. And it's also a gel and a cream at the same time, so it moisturizes your hair, so you don't really have to wash off that gel, your normal gel, at night. With the MB cream gel, it literally keeps your hair moisturized. So that is why I love it. I stand by it. You guys need to get yourself. So I'm going to use this Invisibubble, and I'm just going to try and tie my pony even more, sort of like a bendy method, if you guys get what I mean. So try to make it like this. So yeah. Okay guys, so now that I've got the pony part out the way, I must say it was sort of like a bit difficult, but it wasn't that bad. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take the front part, and I'm going to take a straightener, and I'm just going to switch it on. I'm going to switch it on. I'm going to use a heat protector because, you know, I'm not trying to destroy my curls. So I'm just going to use my heat protector, and then just try open like a middle parting, sort of. Guys, I really don't know how to open straight lines. Is this straight? I hope it is. These, what you can do is you can use Mali hair, and you can get Mali hair from your nearest fiber supply store. Like normally I get my Mali hair as well from Randburg Square, also Joburg CBD, because I mean I'm in Gauteng, but I'm not sure about other parts of the country. Or you can also get it from Hair by Kalisha, and she sells fiber as well, and apparently her fiber is really good. So you know, you can get nice fiber and just use it as a pony, or you could use your old wig. So yeah, I've also seen this on Aluve. She also has done this nice cute hairstyle, and I think she used Expression. So yeah, Take a Lot also does have Expression, and also Shop by Helen Rose also has fiber that you can purchase from. So yeah guys, you can get fiber anywhere really, and support black women, okay, support black businesses. So yeah, let's straighten my hair.
Love interrupts. tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all. Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest.
Okay guys, so I just went ahead and I took part of the clip-ins and I cut them so to sort of like elongate that front part, and I just covered it with my hair in front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to straighten it first. Then I'm gonna try put this part as well on the other side. Guys, I hope this works. Hey, I'm just winging it. I'm winging it and I hope it works. Okay guys, because this is way too long, I'm going to sort of like curl this part.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge, bitch. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in a bag fill. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quick to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She.
You better tell him, yes, child. Yes. Guys, who says natural hair is boring? Guys, you can literally do anything you want to do to your hair as long as you keep it healthy, as long as you just maintain the health of your hair, as long as you stick to your routine, as long as you stick to your natural hair regimen, whether you're relaxed or whether you're natural, as long as you're keeping your hair healthy, literally you can do whatever you want to do to your hair. Your hair does not have to stay boring, okay? So yeah, that's my TED talk for the day. I don't know, I feel like a part of me feels like cutting this part, but I don't want to also ruin the hair. But I'm feeling this look, I'm feeling this look, I'm feeling it. I don't know if I should cut it. I think it just looks a little bit too long, and I don't know if I've made it like too thick. in the front. I don't know, but you guys will tell me what you think. Hope you guys like it. Oh yes, ciao. Anyway guys, let me doll myself up, let me put on some makeup, okay, so I can sign off. But yes, okay guys, so we have reached the end of this video, this tutorial. I really like this hairstyle, guys. I think I'm gonna be rocking this hairstyle the entire week. I don't know. I think I'm gonna be rocking it the entire week, and literally I just thought of doing it just today. Like I said, I wanted to try it because I've seen other people do it, so I really like it. I think my blonde hair looks very pretty just popping out here. So yeah guys, there you have it. This is the tutorial. I hope you guys will be trying it too. I think it's very chic, it's very cute. You can definitely rock it on date night, or you can rock it on a girl's day out or something, or lunch, you know. But I mean, we are keeping safe right now because we're indoors. Well, I'm trying to stay indoors. I'm not trying to be anywhere, but you know, I think once we vaccinate, you know, you can do the most, okay? Rock this hairstyle, go out with bae, go out with the girls, and just do your thing. So I just want to say thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Once again, hello to my new subscribers. Really appreciate you guys so much. Your support is so amazing. You guys are just an amazing community that literally supports me all the time, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Please let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know what you think of this tutorial. You're gonna try it, let me know. Connect with me on Instagram, tag me, let me know if you're gonna be trying this hairstyle. But I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge, bitch. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quit to save my peace. I'm so after school special. She